Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is called tabethgiselle. If you're joining me for the first time, then thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for stopping and thank you for joining me in a new video. Today's video, guys, as you can read on the title, it is my fall/autumn makeup tutorial for 2022. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I created this really nice bold lip with a nice gold eye. I just thought the two together just pair up quite well, and I just like this makeup because I just feel like it's warm, it's giving the bold lip, and it ties the season together, and the eyes just keep it really nice and, you know, sultry and a bit flirty. I don't know, guys, but I really hope you enjoy it, and please do leave your comments in the comment section. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. So guys, the eyeshadow palette that I'm using is the Urban Decay Honey palette, and the first shade we're going to go in with is this nice chocolate brown called Drift, and this is what I'm going to go in to my crease and create a transition color. Transition colors are amazing for just blending and adding depth into the eyes, so that's what we want to start off with, just to build up the eye slowly. Once we have applied our transition color, we are going to go in with the main color, which is called Honey, and it is this really gold eyeshadow color that really stands out, and that's what we're going to apply on the main part of the eyelids. So I'm just using a flat brush to apply this on, and I'm just sort of tapping it in and just nicely blending it out and taking my time. So guys, just to further add definition and depth to the eye, I'm going to go in with this shade called Sting. It is a dark brown with sort of a reddish undertone, and I thought that would be perfect to add on to the outer part of the eyelids, just to add a bit of character to the eyes, because I felt like it looked a bit flat. So that's what I'm going in with. If you don't want to do that, then definitely leave this part out, but for my preference, I decided to go with the deep brown on the outer parts of the eyes, and I'm just blending that and taking my time and sort of meshing it in with the other eyeshadows that we've already applied. And I'm not disturbing the main eyeshadow, the gold one. I'm just focusing on the outer and on the crease area, as you guys can see. So guys, once I'm finished blending the eyes, I am now tying the look together, and I'm applying this shade called Truffle from the Natural Nudes Palette from Too Faced Cosmetics. And as you guys already know, I like to tie my eye makeup looks and eyeshadows with this by applying it onto the just on top of the eyeshadow, and to create sort of a smudged out liner. I just feel like the brown just makes it look natural and not too heavy, especially for daytime wear, which is what I was trying to go for this look. So that's what I'm just doing here with an angled flat brush, and I'm just literally creating somewhat of a cat smudged liner. So I hope you guys like this. If you don't like this part, then again, do leave it out. It's just up to your preference. So guys, once I finished lining my eyelids, I'm moving on to the lower lash area, and I'm just taking the 2 shades of brown eyeshadows that we used earlier on the crease, and I'm just adding those onto the lower lash area. Then to finish off everything, I am going in with the Legendary Lashes from Charlotte Tilbury Volume 2, and I'm going to be using that as my mascara. So guys, for lips, I am going with the Maybelline Shaping Lip Liner Crayon Contour in the shade Rich Wine, which I felt was the perfect lip liner to match with the main lipstick, which I apply in a moment. I felt like it really suited this look and made the eyes really come out, because the eyes are more sort of muted and the lips are more of a bold lip, which I feel like is so perfect and fitting for the season. The lipstick that I used was from NYX, and it is the Satin lipstick, and it's in the shade Opinionated. But yeah guys, that was the end of the makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do leave me your comments in the comment section, and also I will link everything that I use in the description box below, so do check it out. And thank you so much for joining me in another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye dolls. Mwah.